So in this video, I'll tell you guys 10 tips and tricks that you can try out on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Starting off with the number one thing, Samsung has now added dedicated widgets to lock screen. We had widgets before, but you had to tap on clock for that. With Galaxy S24, you can try out dedicated widgets on your lock screen. For that, just long press on lock screen and tap on add widgets. Now you can add widgets for battery, clock, weather and many others. By the way, they are exactly like iOS widgets. Okay, next by default we have a simple lock screen, but you can add live weather effects to this lock screen. That will show if it's raining, snowing or it's a sunny day. For that, go to settings, scroll down and tap on advanced features. Choose labs and now you will see photo ambient wallpaper. Just enable that option. After that, go back and choose wallpaper. And now tap on change wallpaper. And in photo ambient, choose any image of your choice. So let's try this one. Now if I tap on play, you can see that it shows some amazing effects. So check it out. Samsung this time has added a new always on display mode that is exactly like the one from an iPhone. It shows your background image in always on display mode that is dimmed down. Once again, this is not enabled by default. So to try it out, go to settings, choose display, and now you will see always on display option right here. Now just turn on this option that says show lock screen wallpaper. It will definitely use a little more battery, but in case if you want to try it out, it's here. Galaxy S24 comes with a lot of AI features and one of them is generative fill. For that, go to gallery, choose any image and tap on edit. Now tap here. After that, select your desired subject in the image that you want to edit or move. Once selected, just long press on it. And now you can resize and move it. Once you have adjusted it, tap on generate and rest AI will do the job. Galaxy AI is now also available with Samsung Notes. For example, here I have a list of best places to visit in 2024. I'll ask Galaxy AI to rearrange my text into headings and bullet points. I'll select the text and tap on this AI icon right here. Now choose auto format. Galaxy AI will make headings and bullet points for me. By the way, I was really impressed from it, as it arranges all the different places according to their location in different continents. Similarly, you can summarize any article using Galaxy AI in Samsung Internet. For that, select the text that you want to summarize and tap here. Now choose summarize. You can now generate many different wallpapers using AI. For this, long press on your home screen, tap on wallpapers and style. Choose change wallpaper. Now tap on generative. Here for example, I want a landscape wallpaper. I'll adjust text accordingly and that's it. My required wallpaper will be here. This is something really interesting and I use it every day. And by the way, if you don't want all of this AI data to be processed online, go to settings, scroll down and tap on advanced features. Choose advanced intelligence and scroll down. Turn on this toggle that says process data only on phone. But for best AI results, I'll suggest to use online processing. You can now finally record 4K 60 FPS video and switch between different lenses from ultra wide to wide and zoom. This wasn't available even on Galaxy S23, while iPhone had it for so many years. So check it out. Now there is a cool shortcut to use Google Lens and Samsung is calling it as circle to search. You have to just long press right here and draw a circle around anything that you want to search for. There is a cool tip to search anything on the go. For that, open your camera app, point it towards anything that you want to search and long press right here and draw a circle around the thing that you are searching for. So that's it. Thanks to Galaxy AI, we have a new live translate option for calls. Once again, this is not enabled by default. If you want to try out live translation during calls, go to phone dialer, tap on these three dots and choose settings. tap on Live Translate and turn it on. Choose your preferred languages and that's it. In the end, I have few bonus tips. There's a new app for Galaxy S24 called as Find. It basically shows all devices connected to your Samsung account. You can locate them, ring them, and see their online status. This app kinda resembles Find My app on iPhone that also has 3 tabs. One is for people, other one is for devices, and we also have an items tab too. The quick share from Samsung can now send files to almost any other Android phone, but we have a new setting here that says send to everyone for 10 minutes. This isn't available on S23. So these were some cool tips and tricks that you should try out on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Let me know in the comment section about your favorite one, and don't forget to subscribe as I'll be posting more S24 content soon. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.